What is going on, guys? This video is going to be the reveal video. But before I do that, I'm going to show you a little bit of footage of a few extra little things I did before I put the bike back together completely. So I'm not going to be able to start it in this video because I'm waiting for a couple of extra parts. There's a exhaust gasket I'm waiting for, and I realized the old air filter, that it had some rips in it, so I had to order a new air filter. But I can show you the rest of the build right now. I'm going to be using this Vinyl Frog adhesive to black out the number plates. So I got this number plate done. This is the left-hand number plate. I got all the vinyl on here, so it's looking really good. I'm getting really stoked about how this bike is gonna look because I'm gonna do the other number plates with it, so it should look pretty good. Now I got all the number plates blacked out, so now they're ready to go on the bike. And I also have this ready to go on. So I'm gonna put this on first, and then now I can really start building this thing back up. I got the brake lever in there now, so that's gonna look awesome until I'm done my first ride. Then it's gonna be all scratched, but it was a fun little piece to paint anyway. So now I'm probably gonna go on to put the exhaust pipe on, and then I'll probably start putting all the plastics on. Okay, so the exhaust is on now, so I'm probably gonna put the fuel tank on next. So it's going back together pretty good. So next will be the front number plate and the front fender.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So there you have it, one rebuilt, restored 1986 Honda CR80. So we'll go through a list of what I did to it. So I got the new bars on, the new pit bike bars. They're the cheap ones. They're going to be good enough for what I'm going to be doing with it. Brand new kill switch, brand new OD grips. I modified the right side to fit my OEM throttle housing. ASV levers, rebuilt forks, brand new fork seals, caliper rebuilt, brand new wheel bearings, brand new Maxxis front tire, frame done in metallic black. Got the plastics restored as good as I could, and I got some replica stickers that go with the bike for that year. Fresh top end with a little bit of new jewelry on the top there, brand new plug. The bottom end I didn't do anything to, because it didn't seem like it was anything bad going on in there. I'll find out when I start riding it. But I did rock guard the side cover here. A little bit of work to the shifter. Some wider pegs I put on there. Fresh rebuilt rear shock. Got a new chain, got a new sprocket, rear sprocket, front sprocket. So I got brand new bearings in the hub and a brand new Starcross 5 from Michelin. Brand new replica seat cover with the 1986 CR design on it. I used some black vinyl, sticky vinyl, to black out the number plates. And I repainted the rear brake lever, so that's on the other side. There's another video for that. If you want to check that out, you can. So yeah, that's about it for what I did to the bike. So that's going to be the build. If you want to see more builds like this, I'm going to be doing more, so consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.